Okay, then we come on to the film dispenser. So checks that need to be done in this area. We need to make sure that the film holders are free to rotate. So we're checking that the roller is free to rotate. Then we come on to the two pre-stretching rollers. These need to be clean because off the film they can get the glue sticking to it. If there is any signs of glue or tackiness, that needs to be wiped clean with thinners or some suitable cleaner. So if there's any damages on the roller, which is likely to keep giving holes in the film, it can be emery papered off until smooth. Under the cover at the top here, we have two different size gears. This is where we get the pre-stretch from. One roller will be turning a lot slower than the other one, thus giving us the pre-stretch required. So as an option, we have a film brake sensor. So here for maintenance, we need to check that the magnet is still tight onto the shaft. We need to check the distance between the magnet and the sensor is between 2 and 5 millimeters. So as the film comes off, this magnet is rotating, sending a signal to the computer. When the film breaks, this magnet will stop, the signal is broken, and that will stop the cycle of the whole machine until the film is repaired.